As you may already know, crafting a compelling essay requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of the scholarship's requirements and objectives. Fear not, we've got some tips to help you out. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Number 1. Understand the prompt. First things first, you must understand the prompt. Take the time to carefully read and comprehend the essay prompt, ensuring that you understand the topic and the specific requirements of the scholarship. This will help you structure your essay accordingly. Number 2. Research the scholarship. Next, research the scholarship and the organization offering it. This is crucial as it will help you understand their values and goals, allowing you to tailor your essay to their mission. It'll show the organization that you're serious about the scholarship and committed to their values. Number 3. Tell your story. Your scholarship essay is a chance to showcase your unique experiences, achievements, and ambitions. So, tell your story. Use personal anecdotes to illustrate your points and make your essay memorable. Number 4. Be concise. Remember to be concise, adhere to the word count, and make every word count. Avoid rambling and get straight to the point. Number 5. Be specific. Being specific is key. Use specific examples to support your claims and make your essay more convincing. It shows that you've put in the effort to research and understand the topic. Number 6. Edit and proofread. Take the time to carefully edit and proofread your essay, checking for spelling and grammatical errors. Ensure your essay is well organized and easy to read. Number 7. Follow the instructions. Lastly, make sure to follow all instructions and requirements for the scholarship essay. This includes formatting, citation, and submission guidelines. Remember, a successful scholarship essay is not just about your academic achievements, but also about your character, passion, and unique perspective. With these tips, you can write a compelling essay that will help you stand out from the competition. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.